These look similar. Award, prize, reward. But they're not the same. She won a prize. He received an award. They offered a reward. Same idea? Not really. A prize comes from competition. You win it. She won first prize in the competition. She won a trip to Paris. An award? That's more formal. It's given for achievement. He received an award for his work in science. She got an award for Best Teacher of the Year. But reward? That's different. A reward is given because of an action. They offered a reward for the lost dog. The manager gave him a reward for his hard work. That's the difference. Prize is for winning. Award is for achievement. Reward is for something you did. Same world, different reason.